Hi guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to sign up for MoreLogin anti-detect browser. So first of all, you have to install this browser on your PC, then run it of course, and then you will see this page. Account login. So to create an account, you have to click on this button, sign up for free, click on it, and there are two ways how you can create your account. First of all, you can register with your Google, just continue with your Google account, or type all this information, your email address, then verify your email address, type here the code, create your password, and then you'll be able to register. And also you can use invitation code. I will leave the special code in the description. So just type here your email address, click on this button to get the code. Then go to your mail and here you will find the special verification code. Paste it here. Then create a password. Of course, you have to check this checkbox and then you can click on register. And finally, you can log into your account. So let's continue. Just click something here and get started. And finally, you can start using this anti-detect browser. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.